Have you ever come across two stones so different, yet both incredibly valuable? Today, we're taking a closer look at two unique natural stones that I found deep in the mountains. One, a transparent blue crystal, and the other, a heavy, dark metallic stone. Experts believe that together, they could reach a value of up to $200,000, depending on purity, weight, and geological origin. Let's start with the blue transparent stone. This type of crystal often forms inside volcanic or hydrothermal environments, where mineral-rich water cools slowly over thousands of years. Its clarity and natural blue tone suggest the presence of minerals such as copper, titanium, or iron, which are known to create these stunning colors in gemstones. What makes stones like this valuable is not only their beauty, but their purity, hardness, and natural transparency. Collectors in the United States and Europe look for stones with minimal fractures, strong internal glow, and unique color zones. If this stone proves to be a high-grade crystal, such as blue topaz, aquamarine, or blue quartz, its value can easily reach tens of thousands of dollars, depending on the final examination. Now let's move to the second stone, the heavy, dark, metallic piece. The weight alone tells us something important. This stone contains a high concentration of metals such as iron, nickel, or manganese. Heavy dark stones are often linked to rare geological formations, and in some cases, they can even be related to meteoritic material, although laboratory testing is needed for confirmation. Stones with metallic shine, high density, and unusual internal structure are extremely popular among collectors because they are harder to find and much more difficult to replicate artificially. What makes this stone especially interesting is its surface texture, rugged, layered, and naturally polished, a sign of intense heat and pressure deep beneath the Earth's crust. When you place these two stones together, you actually see the beauty of nature's extremes. One is light, clear, and colorful, formed gently through water and minerals. The other, dark, heavy, and powerful, shaped by intense geological forces. Before estimating the final value, gemologists usually test the hardness, refractive index, density, and metal content. These tests reveal whether the stones are rare varieties, such as high-grade quartz, topaz, obsidian, hematite, or even unknown mineral specimens. And remember, many of the world's most valuable gemstones were first discovered by ordinary people exploring nature. Just like you, a single lucky find can change everything. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real gemstone discoveries, rare minerals, and natural treasures from deep within Morocco and around the world. Your support helps us bring more valuable information to the community,